absinthe in here.
I want to see if I can try this.
The packaging kind of scares me.
Oh, look at this.
Because there's a cell.
Huh?
I said the packaging kind of scares me. Like,
I like that they have local.
yeah. There's so much to see and try in here. So much. Ooh, it's low-key kind of overwhelming, but in a good way. Yes, honey. Look who's joined us. We're taking a quick break before we go back outside. Hey y'all, we just got out of the mall. I did some light shopping. We're actually walking towards Chinatown now. Look at the gates. Hi y'all, it's many hours later. We're down here by the water. I forget what this place is called. Something. I'll put it on the screen when I find out what it is. This is actually right next to it's called the Independence River Rink. And there's like Summerfest over here, and they have like a park with a bunch of rides and stuff. We won't be doing that though, I don't think. But I'll show you guys real quick. So y'all, it's been a while. We have been out and about for hours today. Now we're heading over to this bar. What's it called?
A little gay pub.
A little gay pub to have some cocktails. It is our last day in Philly. It's a little bit gray outside, so I don't think we're going to be doing too much out there. Plus, we're going to be heading out soon. I think we're going to go do some historical tour, grab some eats, Stop by Angelo's and then should be heading home. It's been a fun trip. It's been a great best friend trip. Very happy. Just really tired. I feel like a freaking zombie. And today I was just like, I'm not doing lashes. We're doing a simple cat eye. And that'll get the job done. But yeah, guys, Philly's been such like a great city to visit. I definitely want to come back because we obviously didn't do everything we wanted to do. Plus we didn't have like a set itinerary. We just had like a few things we wanted to do. Some restaurants and things that we wanted to try out. And we did do those. So that's nice.
So hard to back out. Oh.
So yeah, we thought we were getting what's it?
Angelo's
cheesesteaks. It's closed on Mondays and today's Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, open on Wednesdays.
So we'll just have to come back down because we're going home today.
Yes.
But off to Ikea. What's this?
Favorite chocolate.
Oh, it's just like their version of Kit Kat? Should we try these?
Yeah, why not?
Let's just only get one bag. Cleanse the palate.
Damn, I'm
They ran out of mashed potatoes, so we have fries instead. Let's see what the hype is about. Oh, it smells mad good. That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, try some of the peas. I think it goes well with peas.
It goes well with
Despite me hating peas.
Did you try with the lingonberry jam?
Let me do that. I'm gonna try this separately. What is that?
It's like lingonberry.
I don't hate it. It's just
It's weird how having meatballs.
odd. It's odd. I'm wondering how it would have tasted with the mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Alright. This gravy. Jam? This feels like something a pregnant woman would eat. I feel like I don't hate it. I feel like the flavors go together so well, but it's so weird.
It's weird, yeah. But I feel like it's like giving like I like the sweetness of a general kind of thing.
It's giving. I feel like it's reminding me of like a Thanksgiving meal.
It is. I think it's like the gravy too.
Mm-hmm. I'm sad I didn't
and
have
the cranberry
mashed potatoes.
sauce. Me too.